Alright, now that we've covered matrix multiplication, now let's quickly look at matrix addition. This one is easier, or just simpler than this. So matrix addition requires that two matrices have equal number of rows and columns, and the result is that each corresponding entry simply adds up together, as the following example illustrates. So basically two matrices have to have the equal number of rows and columns, so they need to be the exact same size. So in other words, if we have this right here, so this is how it's defined. So if we have A11, we'll just do it simple 2 by 2, and we just add up each corresponding one. So this is A11, A12, and A21, A22. So the second, the first number is the row, second one is the column. So A11, A12, or first row, second column. And added by, we're going to add this to second matrix B11, B12, B21, B22, like that. Alright, so now this equals 2, and then basically we're going to add up each corresponding entry. In other words, this adds up with the corresponding one, because they're the exact same size. So this is going to be A1, and it's going to be the same size, both 2 by 2. So A11 plus B11, like that. And the next one is going to be A12. Adds up with B12. So yeah, this one's much simpler than multiplication. A12 plus B12. And then likewise here is going to be A21 plus B21, and then A22 plus B22. Like that.